Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another planner video. Today I'm going to be planning for the month of June, so I've got a few things from my stash like these month stickers. I've got this paper pad from Kaiser Craft that I've already used for a few other things, and I grabbed this sheet that I'm going to use for the spread. I've got these foiled stickers and date dots from Monique Plans, and I also have these dots from Birdy Planning and some Simply Gilded washi that I'm going to pull into. I'm going to keep this plan with me nice and short and sweet. I don't think it's anything too groundbreaking. I'm just going to pop down the date dots, use the paper that I have from that Kaiser Craft pad at the top and bottom, and then use some Simply Gilded washi with that too. I also am going to use those dots from Birdy Planning just for any important things that I want to mark in, and I've also got the gold foil hearts that I end up using to mark a few birthdays that I have for the month. I had a few troubles with this paper trimmer as well. It did not cut very well. I think maybe I need to change the blade or something like that. So I switch over to my little Guillotine paper trimmer to do the rest of this. So yeah, I feel like it's all pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna just speed it up from here and let you guys watch. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And thanks so much for watching my video.